Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Google account is signed in and two-step authentication is set, since backups use secure account tokens. Once done, make sure your device has enough free storage and a reliable Wi-Fi connection, because large media uploads can stall on weak networks. Now open Settings, tap Google, then Backup. Press Backup now to trigger the initial sync. This first step writes your contacts, app data, device settings, and photos to your Google account so future restores are possible. Next, you decide what to back up and why. App data preserves app settings, while photos and videos consume the most space. Go into backup details and toggle categories like apps, call logs, contacts, SMS, and photos to include or exclude them. If photos will be large, use Google Photos settings to back up on Wi-Fi only or choose high quality versus original. Monitor the backup status to watch progress. Make sure not to interrupt power or network until it shows complete, to avoid partial. To finish, restore your data on a new or reset device during the Google sign-in step, or manually trigger restore from settings right arrow system, right arrow backup, right arrow restore if available. Make sure you use the same Google account and sufficient device storage. App restores depend on Play Store availability and app versions, so some settings may not transfer. If something goes wrong, verify account sync, free up drive space, and retry. As a fallback, export contacts as a V-card and download photos from Google Photos for manual recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.